How to take a quiz in Canvas and convert it into a question bank into any course that you want inside of Canvas. I have my courses in Canvas. So the way you do this, so we're in my course Canvas 101, go to settings. Then what you want to do is export course content. And I have a couple example quizzes in here that I'm going to export. When it says export type, select quiz. And then what you want to do is you don't want all your quizzes. If you want all your quizzes, leave this check mark. But in this case, I just want my sample quiz, uncheck all quizzes, and just select sample quiz and then click create export. Let this run. It's going to take some time. There's nothing wrong with your computer. Now, when your export is done, in the same page, it's going to be right here. Go ahead and click on QTI export, and it's going to download the file to your downloads section on your computer. And you're going to need that file to make this work. Now what you want to do is go back to your courses, all courses, right? So you can do this in any course. So what I'm going to do is go back to Canvas 101. And in my quizzes section here, you guys can see that I have no quizzes. Now, if I go to my manage question banks up here at the top right, there's going to be nothing in here either. What you want to do is go back to settings. And again, this will work in any course that you want it to work in. Go to import course content. From there, you want to go ahead and hit content type. And now you want to select QTI zip file, and then this is going to let you select that file. And where this file is going to be is it's going to be in your downloads section. Go ahead and select your Canvas 101 quiz export like I have here, and this will be titled whatever your course name is. So make sure you keep track of that, but it should be the most recently downloaded document. Now what you want to do is actually go ahead and you can select a question bank that you want to add these questions to, or you can create a completely new question bank. But the issue with this, and you guys will see in a minute, is it's actually going to do it differently no matter what you type in this area here, because you're importing a quiz, not a question bank. So now what you want to do is make sure overwrite assessment is not checked. And now you want to go ahead and hit import. Let that do its thing, and then it'll say queued here. And once it's done, it will say completed. So now that it says completed, now we want to go take a look and see if it actually did it correctly. What you're going to see, and make sure you pay close attention here, is when you click quizzes, it's actually going to add it in as a quiz here, because again, you're not transferring a question bank from another course, you're transferring a quiz. So it's by default going to add it here. So what you want to do, if you don't want this to show up as a quiz in your assignments, is go ahead and delete this like so. Now your assignment quizzes are going to be blank. Now you want to click on these three dots again and go to manage question banks to get back to your banks. And you will see that it also added it here as a sample quiz question bank. And now remember, when we were titling this, we named it just a bank. But what it does, since you're importing a normal quiz, is it's actually going to import it with whatever name that quiz originally was in the last course. So make sure you keep that in mind. And now you can change the title of this by clicking this little pencil icon, and we can change it to the name that we actually want by typing in bank. And make sure you hit enter to actually enter in that data into Canvas. And now you can go in here and actually preview all the questions that you had in your original question bank. Again, you can move a quiz or a question bank using this exact same method into any course of your choosing. Reach out to us through this video or go to our website at kalmanwebdesign.com and we will help you out. Thanks for watching.